Now wow. It's our landlord. The only woman did they give us for this compound. 3 girls, only one boy. Closed out.
Good morning.
Good morning. The new neighbor upstairs.
Yes. My name is Ella.
Okay, my name is Ojiko.
Oh, you are the one occupying.
Yes. I mean the
and they tell me say one fine boy did this thing. Anyways, let me just pack my stuff.
You need help?
No, I'll carry it myself.
You sure?
I will carry it myself, don't worry.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So I get your shoe. Hello, yes. No, just right. Ooh.
Neighbor.
Neighbor.
How now?
Fine. What are you doing there?
You know, say I just moved in and I want cook. So I don't know whether you will fit. I beg, give me salt.
Salt?
Yes. You know, say I just moved come this area and I don't feel find where office is salt. You know, I think that come last time my neighbor way.
Salt, are we?
Salt.
Neighbor, what now?
No vest, I beg. No vest. If he add pepper join.
Pepper and salt.
Sorry, no vest, so.
Neighbor,
I'm sorry, I'm beg, no vest. Now because of say I don't know all this place, so so I just need if you go for add Maggi.
Salt, pepper and Maggi.
No plenty, I no go ask again. No vest, sorry.
God. What else do you want?
Neighbor, I feel see onion. Maybe if you join out to that pepper salt Maggi.
And what else do you want?
Finish.
That pepper will enter your eyes. That pepper will enter your eye. Only today you just move in and see, later I don't want to be this way. I don't want anyone. I'm facing the problem.
Calm down now. You don't say you're not fine, but you're not supposed to be shout. Just let me go bring them, I beg.
Man, bring her.
Just let me bring them, I beg.
I come 1 minute.
No tail.
Run.
So Jesus!
Only today when you move in. You don't go ever give better person house.
5 years of madness.